4 parcels included to total 14.57 air conditioner for tax. idsLand is part of E Morgen Estates and road maintenance is shared west/1 other property owner.A stately Cushwa brick 3,626 square feet manor home built to stand the test of time with all the best upgrades of that era. Quality shows throughout this classic showpiece. As you approach the property you and #X2019, LL be captivated by the winding, tree-canopied driveway. From the moment you walk down the brick sidewalk integrated in a beautiful landscaped front lawn, you and #X2019, LL know your home. Enter the impressive 2-story foyer complete with receiving closets, half bath, leading to formal living west/fireplace and dining room on each side, then continue back to the heart of the home that lies in the gourmet kitchen west/custom cherry cabinets, ceramic tiled island, Jenn air range and breakfast nook with pocket doors to the family room and fireplace. The cozy den/office could be a main level bedroom if needed, and spacious laundry room with full bath complete the main level. One of the real jewels in this home is the back patio. Several French doors on the main level open to a charming, covered patio/entertaining area. Enjoy your morning coffee or cocktail parties with friends. This splendid backyard can host some grand gatherings with 14.57 acres. This acreage is separated into 4 lots if you want to sell off part to have friends or family nearby.Architectural details, built-ins, 2 attics, hardwood floors throughout, perfect for entertaining as well as comfortable living. The home includes 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3 fireplaces, 1 wood, 2 propane. On the upper level the expansive primary bedroom features one of the gas fireplaces, 2 closets, 1 walk-in closet and ensuite bath with additional makeup counter/sink/dressing area. 2 more oversized bedrooms with great closet space, all carpeted and cushy for your feet when getting out of bed. Reading area/office nook with built-in bookshelves round out the second floor. On the lowest level there and #X2019, massive storage in the approximately 1,700 square feet basement, so there and #X2019, room for any hobby. And an additional heat source is a pellet stove in the side room of the basement. Also a wonderful canning pantry. The oversized 3-car garage is insulated with storage above and finished with a sink for easy cleanup after those outdoor projects. A matching brick garden shed completes the tour of this home. Imagine yourself here and decorating for the holidays. Covenants and restrictions.